Mrs. Lolita T. Cabajo, Principal 3 of Andres Bonifacio Elementary School 1. Dr. Rene S. Oriendo, Public Schools District 4B Supervisor. To the woman of action, our school principal, Ma'am Maricorda Pinal. To our head teacher 3, Ma'am Mary Ann Songmayahon. To the very active SPTA President, Pastor Rizaldi Agolino. To our fellow graduates, our supportive parents, friends, guests, a pleasant morning to all, and welcome to the graduation ceremony of A.L. Jaime Elementary School for school year 2023-2024. Graduation is one of the most significant events in a student's life. It is one of those great occasions when we get the opportunity to celebrate our achievements, accomplishments, and hard work. As we look back upon amazing years we spent in our beloved A.L. Jaime. I am indeed greatly honored to be part of this batch. This year, we have a very unique and exceptional group of students who are graduating. We have grown, changed, and experienced so much together. Our alma mater taught us the values that we need in order for us to face our next endeavor without fear. As we proceed to our graduation ceremony, let us give our all to show our thanks and gratitude to all the people who have brought us closer to achieving our dreams. Thank you, dear teachers, for all the lessons and all of the knowledge you have taught us. Thank you, dear parents, for working hard to provide us with good education. We are very happy that you are here with us today because this is truly a very good day for us. And most of all, thank you, Lord God, for all the blessings you have given us. As we move forward, let us keep in mind that our journey does not end here. It is in fact a stepping stone to reach greater heights and new horizons. Let us embrace the challenges that lie ahead with confidence and determination. My heartfelt congratulations to the graduating class 2023-2024. May our future be filled with success, fulfillment, and never-ending possibilities. Let us continue to strive for excellence. Thank you very much, and once again, welcome and good morning.